So my name is Irma Kisbereth. I'm 18 years old and I live in Vancouver, British Columbia, and I'll be reading Letter to a Loving Husband. So a lot of the time we hear the climate crisis described as some kind of journey into an unknown future, and so with this poem I was trying to channel that mix of desperation and melancholy and hopefulness that you get with any kind of voyage into the unknown. So, Letter to a Loving Husband. Charles, let me tell you what I saw. In the last leg of our journey, rats ate the victuals. I had hoped for stars and jewels, yet here the ship spat back something hollow and actual. In our hunger, we gnawed on oars and barrel planks like teething babies. On the seventh day, we saw a blot, creased in the distance. From closer it became an island of a curious, shifting beauty. Heady visions sprouted behind our eyes, and for the first time I saw the water clinging to our ship. Then, strange noseless animals slapping our ship's wooden hull, mussels flapping their shells, and birds noising loudly on the seashore. But Charles, if you only saw the island's burning eels, these toothless creatures, plunged into a bucket, will make water boil. Already we have plucked an elver to heat our humble camp, to light up the teeming blue beach. It's true. Since arriving we have burnt nothing, not a twig. But the nights are new and fitful, our hands wet guests in this land without people. We pray, let sweat succeed the sea water beating the rocks. Let the sea stay still and low. I lay here, my back padded in bumps and open bites, if only to bid you. Tonight, when you lay down your head, smell the salt smell with me. Think of the water clubbing itself, and drift like a sea-cleaned pebble into sleep. Forget the unstoppable coming silence, the clear, airless waters, free of life. Think instead of your love standing here wishful with her fistful of fish.